Hi everyone, let me introduce you to a really cool template set from Martelli. This is the Martelli Travel Needle Minder set, and it comes with 2 pieces. And look how cool these pieces are. This makes a fantastic project, and all you need is a little bit of cotton fabric, all you need is a little bit of batting and a little bit of fleece, and you make the most amazing project. So you got the 2 pieces, but again, with these templates, I see so many other things. This looks like the half of a flower, so you could make some really cool projects with these 2 templates. It could be a cloud, whatever you want it to be. But again, why is Martelli templates so amazing? Because all of them have our Get a Grip browning fabric on the back, and all of these templates have the cut lines in it so that you would be able to use your rotary cutter. So when I set this down on my fabric, again, it tells you right here if you're going to be setting it on the fold. If I was to set this on the fold, it's going to grip it and hold it for me so I can do all of my cutting easily done with using our Martelli template and any rotary cutter, but of course the Martelli rotary cutter. This is, again, the smaller piece. Let me show you the finished product. And of course, it comes with the full written instructions. You're going to need these. But let me show you, I've got so many of them because this one was so much fun. I just made a bunch of them. But this one is amazing. This is the Travel Needle Minder. So with a little bit of snap, and when you open it up, look how cute is that. So now you can put all your different size needles in here. So when you're traveling, or you can just have this, put all your specialty needles in here, and you always have them in one place. Look how cool that is and how it just opens up. And there's our little bit of fleece in here, or flannel that in here, just to you put your needles in, but it easily comes together. And again, the full written instructions goes over on how to make it. Here it is in another colorway, just absolutely fun. Let me just show you some more. Here's another one. How cute is that? I just had so much fun. You can make these coordinating to your studio. I love, love, love butterflies. So this one here is done with a beautiful butterfly print. So much fun, so much fun. So again, this is the Travel Needle Minder. It comes with the 2 big pieces to make these, and they're going to come out perfect every single time. Be sure to pick yours up today.